Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study Mpsc history. First, thoroughly understand the Mpsc history syllabus, paying close attention to specific topics and their weightage. Next, prioritize key historical periods, focusing on those with higher question frequency. Finally, gather reliable study materials and reference books, ensuring they cover all required aspects comprehensively. This foundational approach will set you up for success. To master Mpsc history, create detailed timelines for each period, helping you visualize events chronologically and understand cause and effect relationships. Dedicate time daily to practice multiple-choice questions from various sources to improve speed and accuracy. Additionally, thoroughly review previous year's question papers to identify recurring themes and question patterns, which is crucial for effective preparation. For a deep dive into Mpsc history, focus intensely on socio-religious reform movements, understanding their leaders, objectives, and impact. Simultaneously, study the Indian national movement in depth, covering all phases, key events, and prominent personalities. Always refer to standard textbooks and government publications for accurate and comprehensive information, ensuring your knowledge base is solid and reliable. Consistent revision is paramount. Regularly revisit all studied topics to reinforce your memory and understanding. Take full-length mock tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment, helping you manage time effectively and identify weak areas. Remember to check the description for links to helpful resources and other deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep. Good luck with your Mpsc history preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.